Hey everyone. So, as a data science consultant, I get an opportunity to work with different organizations, and how I saved $2.7 million for them is something which I wanted to discuss with you. Okay. So, I had an opportunity to work with a retail organization that was looking to optimize their marketing and customer retention strategies. So, how I mixed SEO, like the digital marketing and the customer retention strategy, and I'm going to discuss it with you today. So they were facing challenges in understanding the true value of their customers and identifying the most profitable customer segments to focus their efforts on. So let me give you the option over here. So think about it. Say these people, right? They have approximately 75,000 customers. And they wanted to know, like say 75,000 to approximately 1 lakh customer, and they wanted to know, right, which all customers are important for them, how to actually pick up the customers which are important for them rather than picking up every customer. So now suppose, like say if there are 1 lakh customer or 100,000 customers, and if you spend say approximately 300 rupees in marketing spend and try to retain them, just multiply 500 by or 300 by 1 lakh, right? It would be a very huge amount. Okay, so they would, and then you have to spend a lot of amount in the salaries. Then you have to give them a call. You have to make a lot of adjustment to make sure that the customer is retained. Now the problem with this organization is that they don't want to spend all that amount, right? And they wanted, and that was the biggest challenge, because the customer who were retained, whether they are giving that value, like say suppose I have spent, just think about it, suppose I spent $3 million in retaining 1 lakh customer or 100,000 customers. Now the point is whether these customers are actually giving me the big business information about or they're giving me that much of business. So whether it is profitable or not, right? This is something which is very, very challenging. And what I did is I proposed implementing the customer lifetime value to analysis to this organization. So me and their team, we started working on it, and this customer analysis is basically customer lifetime value is basically used to identify each customer segmentation, and we wanted to gain insight in which group the customers are generating the highest revenue, what is their lifetime highest revenue lifetime, and so that we can prioritize those customers. Now this was a challenge, right? So we solved this problem in multiple ways. So we've created all the strategies. So how I have approached to that project is something which I'm gonna share with you, right? So they were uniquely in benefit of approximately $2.7 million, right? And I'm gonna share that strategy with you. So first of all, we collected all the important data, right? So we collected the historical data, like including what exactly customer has purchased, right? What was their purchase patterns? How much was the order value? What was the timestamp when they purchased? What was the duration, right? In a certain duration. We also generated which is the advertisement channel, where exactly customers are coming, right? So they are coming from app, or they're coming from website, or they're coming from referrals, and how much marketing spends we are doing in order for acquisition of these customers. So all of that data is being collected, and then we started calculating the value, right? So whatever data we have collected, we started calculating the customer lifetime value. So I have already shared one video about what is customer lifetime value and how do we actually calculate the customer lifetime value. So we calculated CLTV, customer lifetime value, or for each customer segment, and we considered the fact such as average purchase value, right? So for example, suppose you buy something from Zomato or Swiggy, right? There is always an average purchase value. When you buy something from Amazon, there is always an average purchase value, right? So we picked up the average purchase value, their purchase frequency, how frequent these people are, and the customer retention rates, like how much we spend for customer retention rate. This actually helped us estimate the potential revenue generated by each customer segment over their lifetime. Now, once you've calculated this, based on this CLTV value, we started doing customer segmentation. So we identified the most valuable customer segments we categorize customer into high value, medium value, low values, more profitable, high, lower profitable, and there are various segments which we have calculated. Once we have identified this, we started optimizing our marketing optimization. So basically, like, we identified which customers are high value, right? Where I need to spend more. How many people have already completed their lifetime value? How many people, they are having low values, but they can be retained easily. So we developed tailored marketing strategies for each segment, and high value customers has given more priority in personalized retention campaign. So we specialized, this retention campaign, while low value customer received the targeting acquisition efforts. So this way we have segmented all our data. We also optimize the marketing budget by allocating the resources to the most profitable segments. So this way we have optimized the whole marketing campaigns, and then we've not stopped there, right? We actually did the monitoring and analysis. So we continuously monitored the effectiveness of the new strategy, analyzed and impacted by the customer retention. What is the acquisition cost? What is the overall revenue which has been generated by the acquired customer? Okay. And then we have calculated how much results. So by implementing the CLTV, we were based strategies, or by implementing the CLTV logic, the organization experienced a significant improvement. They achieved 15% more, or you can say increased customer retention rate among the highest value segment. I'm not talking about overall, I'm talking about the higher value, right? So the people who are leaving and having a higher CLTV value, and 10% decrease in acquisition cost. Okay. As a result, they saved approximately $2.7 million, and these high value customers started giving them business again. So that's the overall impact, right, which we have calculated for those values in the marketing expenses, which was approximately, so there was a $2.7 million impact, right, or increase in overall revenue which we have experienced. So this organization decision to leverage the CLTV analysis and tailor-made marketing efforts based on the customer value proven to be a very, very successful approach. Now, if you really want to understand what is customer lifetime value, I've already created a video there. So I want you to, I'll share the link in the I button. Please, you can go over there and understand how a company can optimize their resources, enhance their customer retention, and achieve the substantial cost savings. I hope you like this video. If you wanted to know more about machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, stay tuned with me. I will keep on coming with different videos for different topics. And also I'm starting my personal mentorship channel very soon, right, where I'll be talking to you directly. So in case you wanted to join those mentorship sessions, so in upcoming days I'm also launching my so in upcoming very shortly I'm also launching my mentorship sessions about the data science. I want every one of you to please, if you are a manager, and if you are a leader, or if you are at CXO level, or if you have some questions about data science, how to implement data science in your organization, or about the AI, you can ask the questions in the mentorship sessions. I will keep on coming with different topics about the data science and machine learning and in different domains of AI. Please join my mentorship session. I'll be leaving the link below. Please do subscribe, and if you wanted to receive more information, press the bell icon so that you can receive the new updates. Thank you so much for listening to me. I'll speak to you in the new video. Bye-bye.